Класс, английский язык, Звездный Английский, домашнее задание, урок 48, часть 1, страница 106, 107, 108. English Starlight for homework, lesson number 48, part number 1, page number 106, 107, 108. Boys and girls, we begin our walk. My name is Olga, and I'm your English teacher today. And now, we must repeat sound exercise. Repeat after me. What's your name? Where are you from? What's your name? Where are you from? How long have you been here? How long have you been here? What's your name? Where are you from? How long have you been here? Boys and girls, we begin our English lesson. Open your books, please. Page number 106, 106. The stone flower. Listen, point to the pictures, and say the words. Whisper, turn around, disappear. Huge. Каменный цветок. Послушай, покажи на картинке и проговори слова. Listen and read the story. One day, Danila is looking for malachite in the forest. Suddenly, he hears a whisper. Danila, look for your stone on Serpent Hill. He turns around and sees a beautiful one. She is there for a second, and then she disappears. He thinks perhaps it was the mistress of Copper Mountain. So he goes to Serpent Hill and finds a huge piece of malachite. He is very happy with the stone, and he takes it home and starts to make his vase. Danila finishes his vase, but he is not happy. I just can't understand the beauty of stone, he says sadly. So he decides it is time to marry Katya. The day before the wedding, he goes for a walk to Serpent Hill again. Oh, how I wish I could see the stone flower, he says sadly. Then magically he sees the mistress of Copper Mountain again. Boys and girls, open your books, please. Page number 107, 107. Exercise number 1. Read the story again and choose A or B. Прочитай заново историю и выбери A или B. Where should Danila look for the stone? The answer, Serpent Hill, A. What is the stone made of? The answer, A. Malachite. What does Danila decide to do? The answer, B. Get married. Danila is sad because he can't understand the beauty of stone. What does he do before the day of the wedding? The answer, A. Go for a walk. Boys and girls, we must do exercise number 2. Complete the summary, then tell the class. Закончи пересказ, затем расскажи классу. The answer. Whisper, disappears. Serpent Hill, home. Happy, marry. Mistress. One day in the forest, Danila hears a whisper. He sees a beautiful woman, but then she disappears. He goes to Serpent Hill and finds a piece of malachite. He takes it home and starts to make his vase. Danila finishes the vase, but he is not happy. He decides to marry Katya, but the day before the wedding he goes to Serpent Hill again. Then he sees the mistress of Copy Mountain again. Boys and girls, we must do exercise number 3. Let's sing. Давай споем. She's the mistress of the mountain. Yes, she is. She's the mistress of the mountain. Yes, she is. She lives on Copper Mountain, in the magic garden. She's the mistress of the mountain. Yes, she is. She's beautiful and clever. Yes, she is. She's beautiful and clever. Yes, she is. Her hair's as black as night. Her eyes are big and bright. She's beautiful and clever. Yes, she is. Boys and girls, open your books, please. Page number 107. 107. Phonics. Exercise number 1. Read the words and the sentences first to yourself and then to your friend. Прочитай слова и предложения сначала про себя, а затем своему другу. Smell, fresh, then, get, hotel, bread, breakfast, head. Hurry up, Ben, says Emma. It's nearly 10. We're late. There's no time for breakfast. Just a minute, Emma, says Ben. The bread's almost ready. The smell of fresh bread is excellent, says Emma. You know what, Ben? We can stay for 5 more minutes. Ear, ear, here, dear. Near, year, theater, disappear. This year, near walks in the theater. She is a magician. She's got a dog called Vanish. She can make him disappear. Boys and girls, we must do exercise number 2. Read and complete the sentences. Прочитай и закончи предложение. The answer: smell, bread, hear, ear, breakfast, disappear, better, theater. I love the smell of fresh flowers. My mom always makes bread at the weekends. Listen, can you hear the music? Last year I was 9. I always have breakfast before I go to school. Look at the magician. She can make the rabbit disappear. I am better at English than you. I was at the theater with my mom and dad. Boys and girls, we must do exercise number 3. Read the words first to yourself and then to your friend. Сначала прочитай слова про себя, а затем своему другу. Ice, dice, ice, mice, nice, rice, price, slice, twice. Ick, kick, leak, peak, quick, sick, tick, stick, thick, trick. Hide, right, side, wide, bride, slide. Height, night, light, night, right, bright, fight. In, bin, fin, pin, tin, win, chin, skin, thin, twin. Boys and girls, we must do exercise number 4. Match to make a nonsense rhyme. Then choose a rhyme and mime it to your friend. Can he, she guess the rhyme? Соедини, чтобы сделать бессмысленную рифму. Затем выбери рифму и продемонстрируй ее другу. Сможет он, она угадать рифму? Number 1. A dice for the mice. The answer D. Number 2. Pick the stick. The answer E. Number 3. Hide the bride. The answer A. Number 4. Fight the night. The answer C. Number 5. A fin on my skin. The answer B. My dear friend, your work is good. The lesson is over. Goodbye.
Spring is green, summer is bright, autumn is yellow, winter is white.
Spring is green, summer is bright, autumn is yellow, winter is white.
Spring is green, summer is bright, autumn